know my ponytail looks ridiculous, but welcome to my little vlog. Today we are doing a really early Valentine's Day, but I have a really great reason why it's gonna be super early. And we're starting it off with a little vlog. So I'm about to go get ready and I will be back. Okay, so the high ponytail is gone and I have this ugly one now. But I got ready, cleaned up a little bit, and now I'm about to put on my makeup and then we will get dressed. So y'all will see me in 3, 2, 1. Okay, y'all, so I'm not really a makeup guru, so I didn't actually do this slowed down to give you guys a step-by-step because I'm not comfortable doing makeup enough to do that. I'm really working on complexion, so I wouldn't even want to give you guys tips on my complexion products. However, I will say I showed you guys the primer I use, which I'll be doing a video highlighting soon, and it is the Shea Moisture Daily Glow Priming Moisturizer. And then I have a priming facial spray and then a milk, I think it's like blur and set powder that I use. So those are actually some pretty good and new products that I've been using that I really like. One thing I will recommend is you guys will see, I did a purple eyeshadow look, but my favorite part was my lashes, which, I mean, they've consistently been my favorite part, but I finally picked up a pair of the Ardell magnetic lashes, and they're really, really great. So I'm still working on kind of perfecting my technique with it, but I really, really like it, and it makes my makeup process so much easier. Okay, so my makeup is all done. I'm actually pretty pleased. I put these little hearts. I look kind of cute, yeah. Oh. Okay, so now it's time to get dressed. I think, oh, that's disgusting. Yeah, I'll be back. I'm gonna go deal with that. Come on. Okay, so I'm no pro at filming reels. This was actually my very first reel / TikTok ever. But I used a couple of YouTube videos to help me, and I'm going to try to link them in the cards up here on your right. But I will say that the big thing for me was having a Bluetooth tripod. That was really helpful. And using tape to make sure that I'm standing in the exact same place for the first shot and the second shot because I was doing a transition reel. This one came out okay. Like I said, it was my first one. My fit was cute, but the editing was kind of tough. And I can't dance. So...
Stay shocking and they only see my crew base knocking. They jocking my 5 minutes, take them 2 days. Stop it, what you have? Tell me, will it die with you? Impact bulletproof, so we don't.
Okay, so now here's the fun part. Galentine's is time to begin. So my friends and I, you can see, had these super cute boxes. They actually are, my mom has non-subscription date night boxes, and she did some special edition Galentine boxes for Valentine's Day. So this is us doing our Valentine's Day over FaceTime with our boxes, and it was honestly really, really fun. This is a little video I filmed just to kind of show everyone what the boxes were like. But we genuinely enjoyed ourselves. We tried all the snacks in the boxes. This was the Pamper Me box, like I said, so it had some other cute treats in there. I tried one of the lip masks that's in one of them, and that was nice. We had these cute, we love San Pellegrino drinks, so these cute wine flutes to go with our drinks. And there was a game in there, which I'm actually going to fast forward us to so we can watch that, because that was so much fun. So yeah, this is just me and my friend enjoying our Valentine's Day virtually because of the literal panorama, the Pan African that we were experiencing. But still, you know what? I had a lot of fun. And so this is Passport to the Hood. We had so much fun. I'm really sad that I wasn't able to have the audio with this because like we read through some of the cards and they were honestly hilarious. We adapted it for 2 people, but it's also really, really good to play with like a large group of people. Leandra said it's low-key like a knockoff Cards Against Humanity, but I don't like Cards Against Humanity. I think this was funnier than Cards Against Humanity, so yeah. And then this is the unboxing of Jackie Aina's Forever Mood candle collection. My friend sent this to me as my Valentine's Day gift, and this is why she's my best friend. Okay, these candles smell so good. Actually, we review it in a second, so just listen. Oh my gosh, I'm about to light one of the candles. I'm quite excited. I can't tell. I actually haven't distinguished between the scents. They're all just like one big sweet scent to me. Let me actually smell them individually. Ooh. I absolutely agree. I think Pheromones has a slightly more like fresh laundry scent, but Sweet Spot I really like. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I really like Heartbreaker. That's like a unique scent. I don't even want to... I can't even say... I don't even want to burn them after smelling them. I'm absolutely going to buy them again. Like, this is...
She apparently has a spring line coming out. I don't know about it, though. All I know is, like, there was a comment about this box.
I mean, number 4. Girl, can I count? Anywho.
Pheromones is
Number 3, and then Champagne Wasted. Number 4.
It smells like the color purple.
And is that not a good smell?
No, because the thing is, okay, Champagne Wasted. It's like, let me smell it again. It's like it's like a cheap candle, right? And these cheap candles either smell like red or they're either red or purple. So that's why for me it smells like the color purple.
Yeah.
No, it's like
it's the one that smells low.
Like Barbie.
It smells like you know when you were a kid and you used to get like the scented lip glosses and things.
Yeah.
That's what it smells like. So it's like not my favorite, but I'll burn it. That's what I'm gonna burn tonight, just because the others smell so good.
Gotta get rid of it.
Yeah.
It reminds me of that childhood thing and that Barbie thing. It makes me think of the color purple, like literally the color purple, not the movie.
Right.
And it just smells like cheap in a way, or it's like artificial fruit flavor.
Yeah. That one's definitely my least favorite. I'm curious to know what she was going for with that scent. Maybe it was just one of those scents that's kind of hard to realize, or whatever the word is I want to use. Number 2.
My order is your order. That's why I said you were copying me.
No, I think we're doing the whole parasitic relationship, and so I don't know what to tell you.
It's okay. I'm used to it by now. Oh, I was thinking. It was so funny. I was thinking that when I was in my car, and I was walking out in the rain, I was just like, that's so crazy. That kid.
Now it's time to get ready. So step one is the hair. Yeah. I look like I'm the man. Okay, so step one was trying to recreate Ari Lennox's high puff, but I did not feel like doing a wash and go. So this is me doing the high puff with an old braid out, and I just used some water, the Dew Mousse Def, and Wetline Extreme Gel to kind of awaken my curls. Okay, I'm eating a muffin. But now I'm going to try to do the makeup. So I have the picture here, and we're just going to try to mimic it. My hair looks similar enough. I'm not doing a wash and go. But we are just going to try. It looks really simple. She's got some like light pinks in there and maybe a like cool toned shimmery gold on the inner corner. Simple eyeliner and lashes. So we're just going to do that real quick so I can film this reel. All right, boy. Okay, so you guys, I'm doing another makeup look. This one was pretty simple. I actually thought I had the exact light pink that she used in this picture, but I guess I threw it away when I was cleaning up my makeup. So I had to combine a like $4 palette I got from the beauty supply store with the shimmer that I had in my Tartelette palette. But yeah, that's what we're doing here, my makeup. Okay, the makeup is done and it looks pretty good. This is in front of the ring light. I kind of did it. My pink is darker than hers, but I couldn't find the pink shimmer I thought I had. I'm gonna put the lip product on and I'm about to film this real baby. Ooh, okay. So we are filming another reel. This is actually my third reel by this point, and I've gotten a little bit better at this point, but this is the first shot. I'm working on transitions right now, so this is another outfit transition video, and this is the first shot I grabbed before I did my hair and my makeup, and yeah. I think for me, Reels and TikToks are really about getting comfortable in front of the camera. I don't think I'm the best dancer or movement-wise, period. So this was definitely an exercise in confidence for me. But it was really fun. This outfit came out so well. If you all want the actual DIY for how I made the bralette that I'm wearing and fancified this robe with the faux fur sleeves, please, I'm linking it right here in the cards. To your right, take a look at that video. I go through literally everything, every piece of this outfit.